Some of the resources that we have in-house is our in-house tool room. We also have new injection molding machines. We have experienced personnel from operators to engineering. We also have a CT scanner where we can reverse engineer parts from our customers. We have degreed plastics engineers and RJG master molders in-house. This allows us to take a systematic approach to troubleshooting and create robust processes. With the new building, the owners asked us what we would change in our current facility, and they took a lot of our ideas and implemented it at the new facility. The new facility is meant for our medical growth. We have a lot more automation. We have the pallet conveyor systems, which allow us to cavity separate our parts, and it takes some of the manual work off of our operators. Our molding facilities have a really close relationship with our sister company, Micromold. We have a lot of design reviews. The designers come to see their samples run at Plastikos. The process engineers can go to the R&D area of Micromold to sample new molds. By sampling molds at Micromold, the designers, the tool makers, everyone gets to see their project come together. Plastikos is heavily involved in training programs. We do a lot of training in-house. We create new training programs, especially for new processors. It's been challenging finding process technicians, so we've created a program in-house. They also are very committed to sending people out for training if it's something that we cannot do. Plastikos and Micromold are continually investing in their people.